Hi everyone. So day one of learning Claude. What is basically the step of process of how the Claude works and what is their high level architecture of understanding or step by step process is we are going to talk about it. Number one is like what is Claude? Claude is nothing but a large language model, which is LLM, built on the transformation of architectures, which is shown in the several process layers, which I have shown here. First is your message, basically your text or a prompt, I can say, which you basically entered, and after you press on reply. After the process, there is been called as tokenization. Tokenization is nothing but in broken into a smaller chunk of tokens, which is roughly an word or a part of word, where that's how the Claude reads the text in mathematically. Then after that we have called as context window. Context window is nothing but a current conversation, like your message or Claude replies or any files which is loaded together, that the Claude holds up to around I think say 20,000 tokens at once. That's how roughly a word works. Basically, they are just a understanding of the memory. Then there is a transformation process where which is their natural network. That's which basically is a core engine. How the clouds basically was trained and a vast amount of text and learns in billions of numbers pattern. That's called as a parameters. So that is numerical parameters that they learn. When they are processing it, then your message is every tokens which is attains to every other tokens, which is basically that you basically the Claude understands the meaning, the grammar, and the nuance, or rather than just a mathematical pattern. So they understand your each understand the meaning, and that's how they logically work around it, or algorithms that they work the process. After that, there is called as constitutions, which is constitutional AI, or we can say as reinforcement learning from human feedback. This is nothing but which is Anthropic has trained Claude not just a capable but also helpful, honest, and safe. So all the generic AI meaning of Claude, like understanding the principle, human reviews that helps basically shape Claude response to be more aligned on their usefulness appropriately. Then there is a response generations where they predict one at a time.